yeah, I've really enjoyed it. It's been good, you know, and it's a good turnout as well, so that's nice to see. The players, management and the clubs respect that as well, and I think the hard work that they've put in it, I think they've shown that how much they respect it by turning up tonight. You won't get that now, unfortunately. You know, you won't get players getting up, speaking, and they've got them type of stories because, you know, I'm sure they do have fun, but it won't be on the scale maybe that we had the fun.
Quite happy with it because I did not expect it. I didn't find out until 2 games before the end of the season. I was up for competition with another girl from Cardiff Met, so nerves was running high on the last 2 games. So yeah, I'm pleased.
It's a team effort, but all through the club. It's the scholarship, the academy, the work myself, Scott are doing. It's just like a snowball effect.
Probably our most successful season as a club is Cardiff Metropolitan, and it's nice to come to the awards with the Welsh Premier League and get some recognition to be represented just as much. It's good for women's football, definitely.